You can use Canva to create a lot of designs. You can use Canva for your business card. You can use Canva for your logo designs. You can use Canva for your letter heading. You can use Canva for your graphic design. If you are a content creation, Canva is very, very important for you. You can use Canva to make your portfolio, arrange your business portfolio. You can use Canva to also create a CV. You can use Canva to rephrase your writing skills. As a copywriter, Canva is also good for you. You can use Canva to make money. Yes, you can use Canva to make money in your design, in your content creation journey, and also as a graphic designer. Canva can also help you to come out with a unique and perfect design. Now, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva. I've done the first episode, and this is the second episode, how to use Canva on 102. If this is what you want to know and this is what you want to, you are interested, please stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below and also give the video a like, so that when I post a new video, you will be notified. Let me see in the other side. This is Canva, and here we have a lot of designs. Here we have a lot of design that I have already done. And like I told you yesterday that I'm not going to be talking more on apps. But today I'm going to talk about apps today. So let me start with what you can do with this test that I made here, how to use Canva 102. I have typed this video and I use this and type this. I've typed this test and I use this to type the test. If I come to this place, I highlight it because I want to edit this test. So I have a lot of things I want to do with this test. I can come here after I highlight it, look for fonts that I want. If I want this font, I can click on it. Any of them I want, as you can see, is changing. So any of them I like, I can use them as a font. This is how you can change your font here in Canva after you finish typing. Then this place is filter. If the type of font I want, I do not see it. Let's say now I do not see Alice here. I can come here and type Alice as a font. You see, there is a lot of Alice here. Alice Cake have a font, Alice Cake Shop, and a lot of Alice that is here I can take as a font and use them. Or if at all here you come to this place, this is the here you can also choose the type of fonts you want here. If it is like a highlighting style, you keep or click on the highlighting there and choose any of them that you like. If it is you go back. If it is corporate, you still click on that place, you bring you here. You can choose any of the fonts that you like as a corporate, any of the styles, any of them that you like as a corporate. You can still go back from there. Then you come here again, you see other ones. If you click on this arrow, it's going to give you other ones. Let me check this bold. So that means if I want any text that is bold, that is where you can get them. So there's a lot of text there that is very, very bold that I can also choose. If my text that I'm using is not bold enough for me, let me reduce it so that you can see what is happening. So after that, I can still go back here. Remember when I enter here, I come on font, then I begin to see this thing I want. Remember to always go back here and click on this arrow, this right arrow, to bring out every other thing that you like here, every other font that you want to use in your typing or in your design. Then this is style. Style is, do you want it to be a heading? Do you want it to be a subheading? As you can see, it marks this place. That means the style I'm using is a heading. It's not a subheading. And as you can see here, the subheading, I'm not using it. So let's go back to here. This place is called font size. The font size I'm currently using is 172. And if I want to reduce it, I can come here to decrease it. If I want to increase it, I can also come here to decrease it. If I don't want to use that one, I can also come here to type 200. It will enter. Did you see it? But I don't want it to be like this. Let me make it where. Okay, you see, this is 200. Then this is this text color. Text color is what is the color I want. Like here, normally this my text is black. I can come here to say, okay, text color, I want this purple. I want it for another lighter purple. You know, they have a lot of shades of purple. I can come here and say, no, I want it on coral red. I want it another on coral red. Then if I don't want all these colors here, I can come here. Anywhere you see plus sign, if you are doing a design, if you are a designer, anywhere you see plus sign inside the software or in any AI tools, please click on it, because there is a lot that you can do with it. That plus sign means that there is still something inside that place that you need, that is very, very important for you, or something that can help you to do whatever, to carry out a task that you want to carry in that particular app or in that particular AI software. That is what that plus sign does. So anywhere you see plus sign means add. It means addition. Like the way all of us know in mathematics, plus sign is addition. So that is how it happens in every software. It means that go this place to add up, go this place to take what you want, go this place to do something new. If you did not see what you're looking for here, when you open that place, there is something that you can do there. So here, if you click on this plus sign, say add new color. I don't want all this color that is here. I want to add new color. I can come here and say, okay, I don't like this shade of red. Click here. It's going to bring out new, like here now you have added up new shades of red. Or you click here, you see, it has added new shade of red. Or you click here, just wobble around any of this place. Any of this place can give you any of shade of red that you want. As you can see, as I'm here, this thing has turned to white. As you can see, even black in this place. You can choose any shade of red, any shade of black that you want. If you do not see, if it is not red that you are looking for, you come here and click on this place to give you any of the color that you are interested. So from there, you can take the shade of that particular color that you are looking for. If I'm still clicking, it's still taking me around there. It's still taking me around. So it's going to enable me to choose the type of color that I want. So if I have a brand color, or there's a particular brand color that I created new, that I felt that, okay, this is the type of color I want to use for this video, for this test, I can also click this place and get the type of color I want. Then click here, add it here, and click on save. It's going to save for me. So we are not adding any color. So let me cancel it. Then you come to this place, text font. We just finished text font. Like this text I'm using now. This text style I'm using now is already bold and it does not enable Italy, or it does not enable boldness. So let's look for another text that can enable boldness. Let's go for this. As you can see now, it is boldness enabled. Like as you can see, naturally some of the texts they have already added boldness, or should I call it bold on it. They've already added bold on it, so you don't need to bold it. Like this one now, this is the former font I took, so there's already bold on it, so it doesn't enable bold again. So what should I do here? As I want to bold this one, I highlight it like this. When I highlight it, I can come here and click bold. Let's see, it's bolded. It has been bold. It's bolded now. Then I can also come here and say italics. Italics means to slide it. And this is it, but that is not what I want to do. You can come here to undo it to get back our former font. Look at it. So you can come to this place. If I want this text, it's already in the center. If I want it to be, this is called alignment. Alignment means anyhow I want the text to be. Do I want it to be on the left? Do I want it to be on the right? Do I want it to be in the center? Or do I want it in a normal way? Then you come to this place to see spacing. Spacing means line spacing. How do I want this text here to be? This space here, is it too much or is too big? Let's see what is there. Then we'll come to this place. This place is called list. Do I want it body list and numbers? Do I want it to be in numbers, or do I want it to be in bullet form? Or do I just want it to be like that? See, it's in bullet form and in numbers, and I don't want any of that. Then you come to this place. This is this line spacing. Do I want the letters? This is the letters. These letters. Do I want it to be spaced? I can come here and space them. As you can see, it's being spaced. It's being spaced. Then this is the line spacing, which is the line between the words. How do I want it? If I want the line spacing, I will come here, you see, increase it. Then if I want it compacted, I can come here and do that. But I don't want it to be increased. So let me just leave it there. Then I come to this place, it says anchor text. I don't want it to be created. And then come to effect. In effect, there's a lot of things that you can do with effect. There's a lot of things that you can do with this effect. Text effect. How do you want it to be? What is the text? You can also go ahead on your own time, check around all these offset and direction and blur and so on to know what they are used for. Also, this is what this is shape. Shape is, do you want your text to be like this? But this is fine. Do you want it to be like this? Then if the curve of this text is too much, you can as well come here and reduce it. You see? So some of the logos that are done, some of the church logos that you used to see, this is what they use to make it. Like now, if I want to use it and make a church logo, I can come here, go to graphics, look for circle in shape and put it there, then drag it to give me the logo of some churches. You see? So I can as well come to the text as well. Come to text effects, come down and adjust it the way I want. You see that it's more wrap now. You see that it's more wrap now. It's more wrap than before. So the next thing I'm going to do now, this is not what we want to do. So let's go back to what we were doing before. Then if you come to animation, this animation is, how do I want this my text to be? Let me open a new tab. Copy it. Paste it. Go back. Return is here. So this is my new tab. This is the text now that I want to animate. So what I will do is, I will first of all arrange this text to come down, then come to animate, click here, then come here, drag it up. You see? So let's see. This see. Then I can also come here. Please watch my video on how to animate objects. Let me not go more on this. Then I can also open this place. Magic Write. I've done the video I did yesterday was all about Magic Write. Underline this text here. I can also stripe through here. I can also position it as well here, as you can see on the page. Position it anywhere I want on the page, but I want it to be in the middle. Then when you come back to this place, I can as well try and make it transparent. Transparent is it too bright? So this is very good for a content creator for a graphic designer. Canva is the perfect tool for you. Canva is the perfect place for you to come and create your design. Copy style, it has copied the color of that text and paste it on the page. Now that it's black and black, I can now decide to put the text as white. Then I will come to this place again. Then say lock position. I just want this text to be here. I don't want this text. Anytime I will see the text have shifted to someone else. When you click on lock position, as you can see, the text is no more moving. There's nothing that you will do this text that it will move. There's nothing you will do that text that is going to move from that place to another place, because do you know why? Because I block that particular page. I block it with that text. So you can't copy it, you can't do anything from that text. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and do wait to like this video and also hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that when I post a video, you are going to be updated. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.